and the warmest welcome to India's most spectacular semiconductor giants, electrifying EV royalties, and fantabulous food tech champions. Let's officially kickstart Beta Awards 2022 with a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Namaste, I Nikita Rana, your host for the day, welcomes you to Beta Awards 2022. Supporting partner IPC, supporting partner ESS, platinum sponsor Mouser, a platform for not just Mumbai's, not just Delhi's, not even Bangalore's or India's, but the world's top ESDM, TNM, food tech, and EV technology experts to meet, collaborate, and create next generation tech waves. This year, Beta Awards is presented by BISinfotech, Food Infotech, and EV Mechanica, news portal and magazine, India's only acclaimed B2B tech magazine and publication company. I mean, we have to up our games each year to match the next level caliber of all of you, right? So with that, BISinfotech, the visionaries whose sole aim is to propagate about the semiconductor and electronics ecosystem, would like to give you a sneak peek into their world. Let's have the AVPs.
Converging technology. For years in this industry, innovation to share information was tedious. And BISinfotech changed the course of time. We at BISinfotech have revolutionized how readers read, feel, and witness the events of this dynamic world. So, what makes a good read for industry leaders and innovators? BISinfotech. Because just like our industry, we believe in innovating constantly.
Stars, for our very first segment, we have an all-rounder leader with the touch of gold, platinum. Whatever he does, he excels in, be it business development, marketing, government sales, or key account management. Let's give it up for Mr. Salim Ahmed, Vice President, Business Development, Electronics Sector Skill Council of India. And now we request our earnest editor of BISinfotech, Mr. Manas Nandi, to kindly present the Hall of Fame to Mr. Salim Ahmed.
Good evening, friends. I'm happy to announce ESSCI has been partnered with us for the third time for Beta Awards. I'd like to extend the Hall of Fame Awards to ESSCI. Thank you, Mr. Salim Ahmed, Vice President BD, to accept this award. Thank you.
The Electronics Sector Skill Council of India, ESSCI, is thankful to BISinfotech, EV Mechanica, and Food Infotech for recognizing ESSCI in the Hall of Fame of the current Beta Awards. As you are aware, the electronics sector in India is expected to grow by leap and bounds. The last 4 years has seen the electronics manufacturing in India grow at the rate of 26% CAGR, and we expect the same tempo to continue in future. With the government's focus of promoting the electronics sector and the manufacturing in the country through its various schemes like the PIL scheme, the SPECS scheme, and the EMC cluster will take the country to new heights. The Electronics Sector Skill Council of India is committed to ensure supply of skilled manpower, the whole sector, and with the government's commitment to ensure a semiconductor fab in the country, ESSCI is fully prepared to take up the challenge of creating a world-class workforce. Thank you.
Stars, it's now time to meet the industry giants without whose support today would not have been possible. Without a doubt, we're talking about our super supportive supporting partner IPC. We now request our committed consulting editor of BISinfotech, Mr. Niloy Banerjee, to present the Hall of Fame to Team IPC.
Beta Awards was supported by IPC. We congratulate IPC for winning the Hall of Fame for this edition of the award show. Congratulations, IPC.
Your goal is to build fully functional, highly reliable products in a rapidly changing world. Failure is not an option. To achieve this, you need a trusted source to identify growth opportunities, develop solutions to your technical challenges, and help mitigate supply chain risk. IPC is your source. As a global leader, IPC's mission is to further the competitive excellence and financial success of its members. IPC member companies include OEMs, EMS, PC board fabricators, and suppliers operating in a wide range of sectors, including aerospace, defense, automotive, telecommunications, industrial, and medical. IPC collaborates with industry leaders to develop standards that improve quality, reliability, and supply chain communication. Around the world, IPC standards are associated with nearly every stage of the electronic product development cycle. A skilled workforce is your most important asset as manufacturing continues to advance. IPC delivers cutting-edge education, training, and certification on relevant industry topics online and in the classroom. Individuals gain the critical skills needed to start in the electronics industry and thrive throughout their career. IPC actively engages in government relations and advocates for science-based regulations and public policy, and lobbies for the reforms you need to be successful at what you do best, manufacturing. IPC exists to help the industry create better quality products, enhance skills and knowledge, reduce costs and waste, and influence policies that spur innovation. IPC has become the voice of industry, and as we keep our eye to the future of technology, IPC is the voice of what is next.
Ladies and gentlemen, Team Mouser has been standing with us strong for the past 3 years consistently. It is our honor and privilege to have them as a platinum sponsor. My lovely audience members, the reason we're all gathered here today has finally arrived. So let's begin with a big round of applause, of course. We'll start off with our first set of awards, the Semicon Awards. Semicon Awards identifies and applauds leaders from the semiconductor and T&M ecosystem. So here we begin. Our first award is the Global Electronic Components Distributor of the Year. And the winner is Mouser Electronics.
Well, I'm really pleased to accept the Global Electronics Distributor of the Year on behalf of our India operations. Clearly, our strength in servicing not only customers but also engineers, and our vision and leadership and strong supply chain and marketing in India is working very well. So on behalf of Mouser, I thank you very much and look forward to doing this in person if we win again next year. So thank you very much.
Our next award is the Global Innovator in Embedded Technology. And the winner is ST Microelectronics. Many congratulations.
Thank you BISinfotech for acknowledging our efforts by awarding us Global Innovator in Embedded Technology for our Blue Energy LPS wireless system on chip. In today's connected world, we see every device from a luminary to industrial machines and even our livestock to have connectivity. At this scale, only wireless connectivity is the solution for majority of these nodes. That's where we foresee our STM32 wireless SoCs playing a crucial role, and ST is committed to invest in a greater ecosystem of wireless devices coupled with stacks, tools, and support channels. Blue Energy LPS is one step ahead in this direction. It's a streamlined variant of a third generation Bluetooth SoC family called Blue Energy, offering the latest Bluetooth features like direction finding, multiple radio physical layers, and excellent radio performance. This, coupled with streamlined peripheral set, make it a very cost-effective solution for a wide range of customers in different markets. We are sure that this device will set up new milestone in exponential growth of IoT market in India and around the world.
Our next award is a Global Innovator in Oscilloscopes. And the winner is Pico Technology. Many congratulations, Team Pico Technology.
Hi. On behalf of Pico Technology, I here extend our sincere thanks to our customers and partners in India who count on Pico products for their business success. We are long-term committed to the market and the customers here in India. Thank you.
Pico Technology has completed 30 plus years as a leader in the field of test and measurement equipment. We are also known as the modern alternative to the traditional benchtop oscilloscope. All optional high-end features such as serial decoding and mass unit testing are standard in Picoscope. We also have a long history of adding new features through free software upgrades.
Welcome to Pico Technology. Pico Technology are the market leaders in PC-based test and measurement products. Our products use industry-standard PC hardware for instrument control, analysis, and display of measurement results. We're upgrading and adding new features to Picoscope software all the time, and we provide them to existing users through free of charge updates throughout the lifetime of the product. Thanks for watching.
Our next award is the IIoT Innovator of the Year, and without a doubt, this award goes to Team Moxa. Many congratulations. Our next award is the Global Innovator in Interconnect Solutions. And the winner is, of course, Team Harting. Many, many congratulations.
Hello and greetings. I would like to ask a simple question. What motivates the scientists and engineers? Of course, the nature. The next to the nature, I would say that the information the scientists and engineers gather from the media, specifically the print and digital, would inspire them. Considering that, I would like to thank BISinfotech, FoodInfotech, as well as EV Mechanica in their respective space, covering the very interesting articles from innovations to prototype and design to product. They are bringing the ecosystems much together. Their platform is providing opportunities for people to exchange ideas and learn from the best practices of others to excel further. Wholeheartedly, I want to thank BISinfotech, FoodInfotech and EV Mechanica for their joint initiative called Beta Awards. I consider this initiative in the right direction to strengthen the entire ecosystem and innovate in the growth of the country. While Government of India is pushing for Make in India, the platforms like this will provide us chance to build a stronger nation. Industries of the future will be different from what we see today. Industries are changing, the government is pushing Industry 4.0, and at the same time, I can very well with the confidence say that irrespective of the size, mid size or a small size or a large size, one or the other forms, every industry has implemented digitalization and automation, and everybody has seen the success. Disseminating these kind of informations through these media would provide more information for other industries, the peer group members, and also their own success would provide more opportunities for the leaders in the industries to adapt to the next generation industries. Adapting the technologies would become much more faster than what we have thought in the past. So that would be the challenge all of us would be facing in the future. Specifically, like our company, Harting, headquartered in Espelkamp, Germany, founded in 1945, is known for providing a very high, reliable, high-performing, quality products, specifically the connectors and associated solutions for power, data, and signal transmission, distribution, and networking applications. In India, we are supported from the local manufacturing facilities here, as well as we have our own strong engineering team to address the requirements of the customers, specifically in the wire harness solutions. I look forward to contribute to the development and the growth of the country here, and also once again thank the entire initiative, the Beta Awards.
Stars like we already mentioned, Team Mouser has been a pillar of trust and support for 3 years in a row. And to show you how truly amazing they are, let's have a short video on them.
When you want to do something big, you dream, you plan, you take measure of yourself and the challenge in front of you. You put in the work, and you put on your game face. That's the road to success. Leave nothing to chance. At Mouser, we know a thing or two about going big. Partnering with over 1,200 leading electronic component brands and helping them expand into markets around the globe has made us the fastest growing distributor in the industry. Maintaining the world's widest selection of inventory, Embracing sophisticated warehouse automation, having local customer sales representatives capable of answering your questions about a product, its availability, or the status of an order. Well, that's just what we do at Mouser. We've made the commitment to remain the leader in new product introductions and to develop the productivity tools that make buying from us the thing over 650,000 customers have made a habit. Because at Mouser, we leave nothing to chance.
We are connected by more than commerce. Your ingenuity, your passion to create is helping drive our growth. And the technological advancements you've either designed or inspired are fast becoming integral components in the automation of Mouser's logistical operations, sensing, motor control, mobile scanning, IoT, machine learning, robotics. All technologies you, the engineer, have designed, we use in our global distribution center to stock more products, consolidate more orders more accurately, and ship faster than ever. So thank you for all that you do and for developing all the innovations that allow us to continue to better serve your needs.
Stars from the Semicon Award, it's now time to travel to our next destination. Here we stop to identify and applaud leaders from the ecosystem. It's now time for the first set of EV awards. Our first award is the BMS Innovator of the Year, and the award, of course, goes to Maxwell Energy Systems.
Hi everyone, it's a pleasure for me to accept the BMS Innovator of the Year award on behalf of Maxwell Energy Systems. Maxwell's mission has always been to accelerate the Earth's transition to an all-electric future. We are a young team of driven and passionate engineers building technologies that are at the forefront of electric vehicles. There are a lot of exciting things happening in the EV space globally and especially in the Indian context. I'm glad that BISinfotech has acknowledged the efforts that Maxwell has put in building these innovative products. Thank you.
Our next award is the EV Startup of the Year. Any guesses? Okay, the award of course goes to Team Static. Many congratulations.
Thanks a lot BISinfotech for giving us this award of Best EV Startup. At Static, we are building India's largest electric vehicle charging network. We already have more than 7,000 chargers, and the idea is that we make sustainable transport a reality in a lot of developing countries like India. We not just put chargers, we also make these chargers and we also make the software for it. So people through the app can find these chargers, use it and pay for it as well. And we are very bullish on the EV industry. We believe there's a lot of technical innovations that are happening. It's technically feasible now to buy a good electric vehicle. There's a lot of government push, there are a lot of subsidies, and there is great public demand. So we feel the intersection of this is where the EVs lie, and we are very, very bullish on this sector. So thanks a lot again for this award.
Our next award is the Charging Company of the Year. And of course, you guessed it right, the winner is Servotech Power Systems. Many congratulations.
This award is an enormous honor for us. I want to thank everyone who helped us to achieve remarkable things in this segment. I am also indebted to the jury members for considering Servotech the best in the EV tech space. This award sincerely acknowledged our efforts and is a huge accomplishment. I assure you that we will continue to do our best in the future. India is on the verge of a major transformation. This time it's in the mobility sector, with electric cars quickly becoming the nation's new flavor. The number of electric two-wheelers and three-wheelers on Indian roads has increased dramatically in the previous 2 years. Almost every automobile manufacturer today has ambition to become an EV manufacturer. Plus, in less than a decade, the government plans to convert a large proportion of automobile on Indian roads to electric vehicle. But my view is that all of that is going to be underpinned by our collective efforts to develop and strengthen the infrastructure around EV, and maybe even more so, by how effectively are we able to introduce, foster, and encourage a mindset shift among stakeholders and users alike to embrace EVs as their next drive home. From the day one, Servotech's all efforts are towards to the vision produce green to live green for contributing in how to reduce global warming. Our 18 years of legacy is built upon research and innovation to make sustainable tech-driven solutions accessible and affordable for the masses. Having already been instrumental in transforming fuel facilities across India with solar capabilities, we are now looking at leveraging that established footprint to enable fuel stations to become prepared for the vehicle of the future and thereby any e-mobility innovations to that end. We are already implementing targeted strategies to help us vector in the right direction.
Our next award is the Two-Wheeler Innovator of the Year. And let's see who the winner of this amazing award is. It is without a doubt Team Emote Electric. Many congratulations.
At Emote Electric, we're making high-performance electric motorcycles. We are the first to introduce a gearbox to electric drivetrain, and we are trying to make electric vehicles mainstream. We do this by competing on price, performance, and convenience. We do not compromise. We have the highest possible range of 600 kilometers and a modular battery pack, which has never been done in the country. Emote is also one of the only companies to have exported motorcycles out of India, and we are extremely proud of that achievement. We look forward to many more such achievements, and we hope to bring our first vehicles out in the hands of Indian customers very soon. The electric vehicle market is still in its nascent stage. However, we are seeing a lot of promising growth, particularly in the last 1 year, where we have seen the sale of electric vehicles grow multiple-fold. Particularly in the segment that we are in, which is the two-wheeler segment. We see this momentum picking up, and I believe we have reached a tipping point where we are seeing a lot more focus, a lot more attention, and a lot more suppliers come into the space, which just wasn't possible 2 years ago or 3 years ago. As one of the oldest companies, having started our initial work sometime in 2014, we have seen the change that has come about in this industry. By 2025, I expect a significant portion of the new vehicle sales to be electric. I am delighted that Emote Electric has been awarded the Two-Wheeler Innovator of the Year. I would like to thank EV Mechanica and the organizers BISinfotech and all the employees and all those who have worked with Emote to make this possible. Thank you.
Our next award is the EV Battery Cell Expert. Who could that be? Of course, none other than Mr. Rahul Bolini.
I have been working in the space of lithium-ion cell for over 7 years. I have seen this field grow multifold. For sure, Indian lithium-ion cell manufacturing will take off in a very big way. And the way Indian EV is growing, I'm sure it will set an example to the rest of the world. I have adopted to an EV. Have you? Hello everyone, I would like to thank BISinfotech and EV Mechanica for conferring me with the award of EV Battery Cell Expert for the Beta Awards 2022. I am honored to receive this award, and this award will motivate me to work harder for the coming years in the space of lithium-ion cell. I head the Emerging Technologies Division at JLN Phoenix, a company with global footprint, making batteries from 12 volt to all the way to 1500 volt applications. I specially take care of new technologies such as solid state batteries, and in fact we are testing it with a few OEMs. We believe in working with future technologies, and in fact we are also looking at exploring sodium ion batteries very soon.
Leaders from the semicon world, if you were expecting an award and did not see your name in the first set, fear not. We present to you your second chance of winning our prestigious Semicon award. Of course, this was done strictly to add a lot of suspense. So we are on to our second set of Semicon awards. Our very first award in this category is the Global Innovator in Power Technology. The winner is Team ST. Many congratulations, team.
ST has immense pleasure to receive the award for Global Innovator in Power Technology for Vapagan. We are thankful to BISinfotech magazine for this award. ST strategy is to lead power and energy management, so we work continuously for the development of new materials and innovative products to meet high power demand for electrical and electronic equipments, efficiency, compact design and easy to design products. Viper GaN series is pioneer in high voltage conversion, embedding a GaN HEMT and dedicated PWM controller on a single package of 5x6 size. It enables customers easy entry into GaN-based converter with optimized flyback topology, minimal number of external components, along with simplified design and development efforts. This product contributes to high power density in power supplies for the home appliances, industrial markets, lighting and air conditioning. I would once again like to express my gratitude to readers and the jury of BISinfotech magazine for this beta award. Thank you.
Our next award is a Global Innovator in MEMS Nanosensor. And the award, of course, goes to Team Instruments.
At Instruments, we are honored to receive the Global Innovator of the Year in MEMS Nanosensor Award. We are thankful to the awards committee, sponsors, and everybody involved in this process. Instruments is a company headquartered in Silicon Valley. Our technology was initially developed at Princeton University, and we are focused on commercializing sensing and analytics solutions for industrial, medical, and consumer applications. The emerging landscape of use cases and applications in our increasingly connected and automated world calls for advanced high-performance sensing solutions, sensor fusion, as well as AI at the edge. Moreover, these technologies must be low-cost and scalable to enable wide deployment. At Instruments, we are proud to be advancing the state-of-art in sensing and enabling the future. Thank you.
The groundbreaking Instruments multi-sensor platform provides an unprecedented level of data with a single sensor. It's the smallest and most powerful flow sensor in the world. The Instruments sensor captures over 100,000 data points every second. Combined with sophisticated algorithms, it can monitor a multitude of parameters. These are the smallest flow sensors available, bringing sensing to more applications than ever before.
Our next award is Innovator in Semiconductor and System Design. You guessed it right, the winner is Moschel. Many congratulations.
On behalf of Moschel, I would like to sincerely thank BISinfotech for choosing us to honor with an award in Innovator in Semiconductor and System Design. We are extremely grateful to BISinfotech. Moschel is a first fabless semiconductor company based out of India. And this was founded in 1999, and very soon we'll be celebrating 25th anniversary. Even though Moschel started as a product company, over the last 10-12 years, we've been focusing mostly on design services, helping customers worldwide. With the product DNA in place, Moschel has been doing an excellent job in providing semiconductor and system design services to customers worldwide, and very recently we became TSMC Design Center Alliance partner, and this is truly a recognition of, and also a reflection of what Moschel can actually bring to the table. With ever-growing demand in semiconductors, in AI/ML, cloud computing, IoT, automobile industry, etc., and with the kind of expertise that we actually built over the years, and with the product DNA that we basically have, and also the processes, time-tested flows and methodologies we have, we believe we are very well positioned to cater to the ever-growing demands in design services in semiconductors and system design.
Stars, on to our next award. Our next award is the Global Leader in Solder and Materials. And the award goes to Indium Corporation. Many congratulations, Team Indium Corporations.
Hello, BISinfotech. It's Tim Twining with Indium Corporation in upstate New York. And all of us here at Indium Corporation are honored to receive the BISinfotech Beta Award for the third consecutive year and to be recognized as a global leader in solder and thermal materials. At Indium Corporation, we believe that material science changes the world. We strive to develop innovative, future-enabling solutions for the challenges facing the electronics industry. So about Indium Corporation, we are a premier materials refiner, smelter, manufacturer, and supplier to the global electronics, semiconductor, thin film, and thermal management markets. Products include solders and fluxes, brazes, thermal interface materials, sputtering targets, indium, gallium, germanium, and tin metals, and inorganic compounds. Key trends we're addressing right now include low temperature and high temperature solders that are solved using our DuraFuse suite of products. Fine feature printing is improved by our suite of new fluxes and powder technology. And in power module assembly, challenges are solved with our preforms, informs, ribbon alloys, and new silver and copper sintering products.
Winners and potential winners, we're now down to our last stage of awards. So of course, we have to, you know what time it is? It is applause time. All right, so for our last set of awards, we identify and applaud leaders from the food tech ecosystem. Let the awards roll. Our first award in this category is the Innovator in Food Processing, and the winner is Foods and Inns Limited. Many congratulations.
At the outset, I would like to thank the jury members for selecting our company Foods and Inns Limited as the Innovator in Food Processing and honoring us with this award. This is a very proud moment for me, especially since the company is celebrating its golden jubilee this year. But let me tell you, I didn't walk alone. I was accompanied by my valuable and dedicated employees, which have worked day in and day out to make the company one of the most recognizable and innovative food companies in India. India's largest processors and exporters of processed food and vegetable products that exports to more than 50 countries around the globe. With access to large number of farmers as well as remarkable infrastructure with 7 state-of-art owned facilities, we house brands like Madhu, Green Top and Kusum Masala under our umbrella. We have been recognized for our sustainable initiatives by some of the best global players. For the past 50 years, we have been committed to integrating technology, research and manufacturing and will continue to do so going forward. The food tech sector. The food processing industry has been receiving growing support from the government with schemes like PLI, and with rising income and demand for healthy packaged foods, it will witness sustained demands across seasons. There has also been a shift towards retail and branded packaging in the last few years. For the future, sustainability will remain a key theme, and the challenge will be to leverage the abundant opportunities in this sector, which also provides a great export potential for the economy.
Our last award for the evening is the Logistics Company of the Year, and of course, without a doubt, it goes to Team TESOL. Many congratulations, Team TESOL, and to all our amazing winners.
First of all, I'd like to thank BISinfotech for the recognition and by awarding us the Beta Awards for the Logistics Company of the Year. It's heartening to get recognized for the innovation and the effort being put in building the logistics, especially the cold chain logistics sector in India. TESOL is a company that is building the next generation cold chain. Cold chain has traditionally been mostly associated with trucking, long distance movements, full truckloads, and primary movement of cargo, especially frozen. Over the last few years, using TESOL's innovative technology based on phase change materials, we've been able to create solutions that enable viable and reliable movement of even part loads across longer distances. They enable local distribution at a very cost effective manner. The solutions created by TESOL are also sustainable because they all eliminate the use of diesel and fuels across the value chain. And especially the growth of the food tech and the food processing sector in the last 2 years has been completely unprecedented, and that has also really helped fuel our growth in these segments. Food tech, especially through innovation in the quick commerce and the e-commerce space, has seen a lot of boom, growing at more than 100% a year. In the food processing space also, with the D2C brands coming up and new channels for reaching out to end customers, I think there's been a lot of innovation, and the good thing is that this is just the beginning of the story. I think food tech and food processing is going to be one of the key sectors to look out for in the economy going forward, and we're looking forward to a bright future there. Thank you so much.
Superstars, for our next segment, we have a leader who strongly believes that one needs to be proud of their legacy and their present to have a better tomorrow and to fill you with utmost pride for the future of Beta Awards. Let's give it up for Mr. Niloy Banerjee, Consulting Editor, BISinfotech. Mr. Banerjee, stage is all yours.
It is an incredible moment of the year in which I express my heartfelt delight to all who enabled Beta Awards 3.0 to achieve its goal. These accomplishments of individuals and companies are indeed, as a media, we look forward to every year. The prudence, devotion and innovation these companies put into their R&D and market-leading products, Beta Awards has been the unique platform bestowing the magicians of the industry. BISinfotech, EV Mechanica and Food Infotech has persistently given efforts to learn, assess and bring every time something new to acknowledge the people who makes it happen for the industry and for us. The true warriors are the only real winners. Perhaps until we meet in the next chapter, keep feeling the fragrance of glossy papers. Merry Christmas and New Year wishes to everyone. Cheers.
Pride filling indeed. Thank you so much, Mr. Banerjee. That was absolutely amazing. And ladies and gentlemen, with this we come to the end of the awards ceremony, that is Beta Awards 2022. How time flies when you're enjoying yourselves. Post meeting you champions, I have understood and we all have understood that Beta Awards 2022 and its patrons, that is all of you, know how to win, disrupt competition and most importantly know how to have fun. Whatever Beta Awards 2022 does, it does it big, it does it super grand. A big thank you to our electrifying sponsors, our powerful leaders, charged up audience and all our amazing winners. Thank you, you've been a lovely audience. Until next time, namaste.